So here's what's going to happen. You're going to have to go to jail. We'll try to work with you with the dogs. But listen to me. I've been around for a while. You are extremely nervous. You have a needle mark fresh in your hand.
It's not.
Is there any needles in the car?
No.
100% sure.
Am I sure?
Hey, you can lift your shirt up.
I'm almost tempted to DUI. There's needles all in the center console.
I didn't give you permission to search the car.
I'm inventorying you. I'm towing your vehicle. That's policy. So you can sit here, we can play games back and forth and all this stuff. I've been doing this for a long time. It's apparent that you just shot up dope and you're driving around my city. It's completely unacceptable.
On September 2nd, 2025, a Florida patrol officer ran a license plate, flagged a suspended driver, and initiated a stop that raised 3 legal questions: inventory authority, counsel access, and evidentiary standards.
I'm sorry.
Hey,
Hello, sir.
Hey, your license isn't good.
I'm sorry?
Valerie?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your license is not good.
Why?
It says failure to pay a traffic ticket.
I paid the traffic ticket.
Do you have your registration proof insurance?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. It's
This is your old one.
I do have it, sir. Please bear with me.
Alright, you have proof of insurance?
I have insurance. I have Geico.
Do you have like a proof of insurance on you?
Can I pull it up on my phone?
Sure.
I'm sorry. I can't believe my license is suspended. I have no idea.
You can hold back onto this.
Yes, sir.
Step by the car, you can look for it outside. Why are you bleeding out of your hand?
Is I was working at home or building a house?
This is just start up, dude.
Okay.
It takes forever to start.
Okay. Oh, cute puppies.
Thank you.
What are their names?
Okay. They're my bosses.
They're your bosses?
Yeah.
What, you looking for your insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have insurance.
Who's the insurance through?
Geico?
You can't download the app and look it up? Or is that what you're trying to do?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll put your hands on your back. I'll explain to you in a second.
Can I please call my boss to come get the
Let him talk. We'll figure that out, okay?
Alright, your license is suspended. It said you received notice already in July. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to have to go to jail. We'll try to work with you with the dogs. But listen to me. I've been around for a while. You are extremely nervous. You have a needle mark fresh in your hand.
It's
Is
not.
there any needles in the car?
No.
100% sure.
It's not a needle mark, sir. I work. The house is being built over on Edgewater Canal.
Okay.
May I please call my boss? Please. She's
Come
not
get the dogs. You have no needles on you.
No, sir.
No needles in the car.
No, sir. Search the car, sir.
I'm not searching. I'm inventorying. It's getting towed.
Put it open to your face.
Excuse me, what's he doing? I didn't give you permission to search the car, sir.
Yeah, he's inventorying it. So we're trying to get so the dogs can go. So nope, you're staying right here.
He's
So he's inventorying the car because it's going to get towed because you're being arrested.
But my boss can come and get it, ma'am.
So she's coming to get the dogs.
Forwarded to an automatic voice message system 4077. Your call is
Really,
forwarded to an
want these
automatic.
dogs up here with the counsel. Let's try to
Please,
figure it
please, just keep calling. Really answer, please.
out. Don't you have a guy that you live with? You're not home?
I'm calling.
That's who you're calling?
Who else are you trying to call?
Can I call my lawyer?
Who's
No,
calling?
not yet.
Do I have an extra number?
I'm arrested. I'm getting arrested. You have to come and get the dogs. They're in my car. He pulled me over and he's looking through the car, Rob. Please come and get it. I'm in all these parking
So
lots.
he can get the dogs, not the car. Her license is suspended. So you can come get the dogs, but not the car. The car's getting towed.
Can I please have the water inside the car?
1 second. We're in the Aldi parking lot right across from Home Depot.
Where is she going?
She's going to go to jail.
So what jail?
Volusia County Branch Jail.
Call my lawyer, Rob.
Okay. What's the number about? Send me a number.
I'm in handcuffs, Rob. It's the defense group.
Okay. I don't know if I'll find it.
Yes. All right, so you're heading this way. How long will it be?
Okay. I'm at the launch right now.
Okay.
The dog's gonna be there. Was the boss with her in the car?
Yeah,
Yes.
we got an animal control guy coming. If the record gets here before him, we can put him in the dogs in the temporary kennel in the truck, and you can come pick up the dogs.
Okay. Well, I'm on the way, but I'm in Fort Lauderdale.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, you got some time. You got like,
I'll go right now.
all right.
Can you please wipe my eyes? Yeah.
With what?
My
Sure.
shirt.
Hey, you can lift your shirt up.
I'm almost tempted to DUI. There's needles all in the center console.
I don't give you permission to search the car.
I'm inventorying you. I'm towing your vehicle.
Running a license plate accesses only publicly registered data. No Fourth Amendment protection attaches. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977, the officer may order the driver from the vehicle during any lawful stop. The stop is legally grounded from first contact. The officer observes a wound on the subject's hand, which she attributes to construction work. That observation alone is not independently actionable, but under Graham v. Connor, 1989, it enters the totality of circumstances analysis governing every subsequent decision. Once formal arrest is declared, custody is established. The officer documents 3 cumulative observations: a suspended license, extreme nervousness, and a suspected needle mark. Graham requires those observations be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. When the subject objects to the vehicle search, the officer's response is legally precise. This is not a consent search. It is an inventory search. Opperman, 1976, law enforcement may conduct a warrantless inventory of a lawfully impounded vehicle provided standardized procedures are followed and the search does not serve as investigatory pretext. Where those conditions are met, consent is legally irrelevant. The subject requests her lawyer. The officer responds, not yet. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, Miranda rights attach at custodial arrest, not during a traffic stop. Once formal arrest is underway, the Sixth Amendment right to counsel is operative. Not yet is not an outright refusal, but a clearer explanation that counsel access would be available at booking was both legally required and professionally warranted. Needles are found on the center console during the inventory. The subject had denied their presence minutes earlier. Because the discovery occurred during a lawful inventory and not a consent search, that prior objection does not affect admissibility. Under Florida Statute Section 893.147, possession of drug paraphernalia is a first-degree misdemeanor. This evidence survives Fourth Amendment challenge. The primary officer states on camera that it is apparent the subject had used drugs before driving. This is a conclusory assertion made before any chemical confirmation. Under Florida Statute Section 316.193, a DUI charge requires demonstrated impairment of normal faculties. Observations support that analysis. On-camera conclusions do not substitute for it. This is precisely the language plaintiff's counsel introduced in civil proceedings under 40 U.S.C. Section 1983.
Policy. So you can sit here, we can play games back and forth and all this stuff. I've been doing this for a long time. It's apparent that you just shot up dope and you're driving around my city. It's completely unacceptable. It looks like you failed to pay some type of ticket. That's what it's telling me. It said they gave you notice.
I haven't been home. We're about here now.
Haven't you been to court? What did he tell you?
I haven't been to court. My lawyer goes to court. I haven't been to court.
Alright, so since he's arresting you, I'm searching you. Do you have anything on you that'll stick and poke me, anything inside of you? Okay. And then, is there a bottle of water in there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there water in there that she can have a sip of? Or...
I'm sure I'll find it. I'll find it.
If I get stuck, I'm going to be
Ma'am,
really
there's
pissed off.
nothing on me.
Unfortunately, we've already we've broken trust. He took a long time to stop and was fucking with something, so just a heads up.
Do you want these glasses to stay in the car?
Yes, please.
There's something, you have nothing on you, right? You go to the jailhouse, it's going to be
I
more
don't have
charges.
anything on me.
That we got off to the right, on the wrong foot. I understand you don't want to get in trouble, but...
Okay, I'm going to fix your hand, okay? I can still fit my finger in there. But I'll loosen it up a little bit, but I can fit a finger in there. Are you going to want more than that?
How long you got?
We're going to go sit in my truck, okay? I'll roll down the window, so if he has any more questions.
Can I please call my lawyer?
So that'll be when you get to the jail. Sure.
How do I?
I got you. Okay. I'll roll down the window so it's not as hot.
The officer verifies two-finger clearance on the handcuffs and loosens them at the subject's request. This reflects standard restraint protocol and constitutes a documented liability safeguard against excessive force claims. Case outcome is unknown at time of analysis. The charges carry a facially sufficient evidentiary basis given the lawful inventory discovery and documented impairment indicators. A DUI prosecution, however, will require chemical confirmation to overcome the absence of field sobriety testing on the Bodycam record. The primary officer receives a grade of B. The stop, the arrest, and the inventory were each legally grounded. 1 deduction. A conclusory on-camera statement about drug use made before chemical confirmation creates civil liability exposure and overstates what the evidence, at that moment, legally established. The secondary officer receives a grade of B-. Inventory execution was lawful under Opperman. 1 deduction. Informal commentary during an active arrest treats discoverable statements as inconsequential. In a suppression hearing, that casual tone can be used to argue investigatory pretext. The subject receives a grade of C+. Nonviolent compliance and immediate attorney contact are credits. 1 significant deduction. An affirmative denial of contraband physically contradicted within minutes eliminates credibility at arraignment, plea negotiation, and trial. The right to remain silent existed and was not exercised. There is no legal benefit to a denial that cannot be sustained. 3 lessons from this stop. Inventory searches require no consent. Objecting once impoundment is properly initiated has no legal effect. Officers must confine on-camera statements to observations, not conclusions. Footage is a discoverable exhibit, not a briefing room. And when contraband is present, silence is the only legally sound position. A false denial converts a suppression argument into a credibility problem. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.